Hello everyone, Erin here from Luxe Fifth Wheels, and welcome back to our Follow series, where we're continuing to follow the Luxe 33EFS fifth wheel down the line of production. If you missed any of the previous stations, I highly recommend going back and watching those first. I'll have them linked below and at the end, because today we're moving to a stage where coach really starts to feel like a home. Today, we're talking about cabinetry. You've probably heard us say before, Luxe Fifth Wheel Cabinetry is residential grade. And that's not just a phrase that we throw around. It's one of the bigger differences between Luxe fifth wheels and other fifth wheels on the market. All of the cabinetry you're going to see in our fifth wheels is built from solid hardwood. That includes the frame, stiles, and the panel doors. What you won't find here is any vinyl wrapped particle board or printed wood grain. Those are materials used across the industry because they are lighter, but over time they are prone to peeling, bubbling, cracking, especially in heat and travel vibration. Instead, our cabinets are real wood, so what you see today and the colors you pick out in the decor section will continue to be seen down the road. How these cabinets are assembled is just as important as what they're made from. The drawers in all of our coaches use dovetail joinery, which creates a mechanically strong interlocking joint that resists pulling apart over time. The cabinet face frames use mortise and tenon joints, providing a more structural stability than simple butt joints when they are screwed together. And instead of being stapled, which is very common, Luxe cabinets are screwed and glued, which matters in a moving environment where vibration can cause staples to loosen over time. As cabinetry is installed, you'll also notice that soft close hinges on our doors and drawer glides, so nothing is slamming while you travel or live in the coach. The drawers use heavy-duty, residential-grade undermount glides which allow for full extension so you can reach the back of the drawer, better weight support, and a cleaner, more finished look. Even the bottom drawers are made out of real wood, not thin paneling, so they can handle everyday items like pots and pans and dishes without sagging. When you get to the decor section, whether you come to see us in person or your factory rep does a Zoom, you can pick out a couple different options of color, and you can also choose the raised panel or the shaker style depending on your options. This is all a part of personalizing your home on the road. At this stage of the build, cabinetry isn't just cosmetic, it's structural, functional, and something you interact with every single day when you live in this coach. This is the transition period where the 33EFS stops feeling like a chassis with some exterior walls and starts feeling more like a home on wheels. And I'm so excited to continue these stations with you so we can see the finished product at the end. Thank you so much for joining me on this stop in our Luxe 33EFS Follow series. We'll continue moving forward, talking more about elements together and how this coach really starts to come to life. Until then, I'll see you next time.